Ready? Start. On dated 25/7/2014, the defendant approached the plaintiff bank with request for the grant of loan of rupees 2,80,000 under agriculture loan scheme, which was sanctioned by the plaintiff bank on certain terms and conditions. Stop. In consideration of aforesaid loan, the defendant executed the relevant documents in favor of plaintiff bank. Stop. In order to further secure the repayment of aforesaid loan along with interest, cost and expenses, the defendant executed a mortgage deed of his land measuring land 30 canals 6 marlas in favor of plaintiff bank. Stop. Further, the defendant executed letter of arrangement, agreements of hypothecation and other documents in favor of plaintiff bank. Stop. The defendant agreed to pay the crop loan on every crop along with interest at the rate of 10.50% per annum with half yearly rest. Stop. However, defendant did not adhere to financial discipline of plaintiff bank and did not pay loan in accordance with the terms and conditions stipulated and accorded at the time of advancement of loan, and as such the account of defendant become irregular. Stop. After adjusting the debit and credit entries in the loan account of the defendant, there was a debit balance of rupees 3,95,193 in the crop loan along with interest and other charges. Stop. So it is submitted that the plaintiff is entitled to recover the same along with and future interest. Stop. The cause of action of plaintiff bank arose when the defendant approached the plaintiff bank for loan and when defendant mortgaged his land in favor of plaintiff bank and when defendant executed documents of security in favor of plaintiff bank and when the loan was sanctioned and disbursed to the defendant and when he utilized the same on the day when the loan installments were due and the defendant failed to pay the same. Stop. It is also submitted that the loan was secured by way of mortgage of immovable property, as such period of limitation to file the present suit in 12 years, which is further extended due to the acknowledgement in favor of plaintiff bank. Stop. Hence the present suit is filed. Stop. On careful perusal of the oral as well as documentary evidence produced and proved on record by the plaintiff bank, which remained unrebutted and unchallenged on record, as the defendant failed to contest the suit of the plaintiff bank and was proceeded against ex parte. This court is of the opinion that the plaintiff bank has succeeded to prove its case ex parte. Full stop.